So this is a cold start video of my Aprilia Tuono racing. It's completely cold. I took some photos of the bike last night. You can see the engine's cold light flashing there. The pipe is completely cold, of course. So with these bikes, they are a little bit cold-blooded, so they do need a bit of choke to fire them up. So let's put a bit of choke on the starter. Oh, turn on the ignition key first, of course. So there you have it. That was a cold start. I left the cowl off here a little bit just to. These bikes do consume battery when they're standing. So there's a battery tender connection here. This is the original toolkit. Great bike actually. Anyway, happy bidding.